Hello everyone. In this video, we are not chasing perfection, we are choosing peace. This is a journey of hands, of heart, and of simple things turning into something meaningful. Craft is not just decoration, it is a pause in a noisy world, a quiet moment where creativity breathes. It always starts small, a few dry twigs lying unnoticed, a bundle of jute thread saved instead of throw away, an empty bottle standing silently in a corner. Too many these are leftovers. To a creative soul, they are beginning. Because every handmade story starts with seeing value, where others sees nothing. As the hands begin to work, time slows down. The fingers feel the rough textures of jute, the natural curve of twigs, and the surface of glass. Every twig is different. There is no rush, no pressure to be perfect, only rhythm. Wrap, tie, place, adjust. You can create it in your way. This is beautiful art. Craft teach patience without speaking a word. Recycling is an act of care. Care for the earth, care for resources, care for the future. An old bottle becomes a vase, a glass jar becomes a candle holder, a broken piece hand becomes whole again in a newborn. This is not just reuse, this is rebirth. There is healing in handmade work. When the mind is tired, the hands continue gently. When thoughts feel heavy, the heart finds comfort in condition. Crafts listen without judgment. It accepts mistake, it celebrate effort. Every uneven knot, every imperfect edge makes the piece more human, more real. As a craft takes shape, soft lights are added, warm LED lights glow between twigs, casting gentle shadow on the wall. Suddenly, the space feels different, calmer, warmer. The craft is no longer just an object, it becomes an atmosphere. A reminder that light can exist even in simple things. Natural materials carry story. A twig once danced in the wind. Jute once grew in open field. Glass once held something useful. Now they come together not to return to nature but to honor it. Handmade decor keeps nature close even indoors. Handmade art teaches us something important. Perfection is not required for beauty. Factory items look the same. Handmade items feel different. They carry time, they carry emotion, they carry presence. They remind us that slow creation has deep value. If you are watching this is your reminder. You don't need expensive supplies, you don't need expert skills, you only need curiosity and courage to start. Your hands are capable, your ideas matter. As this craft comes to life, take a moment to breathe. Look around your home, notice what you already have.